In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data or contacts from iPhone XR to iPhone 15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer all of your data, including photos, videos, documents, and contacts, anything else, to a new iPhone. So in this specific example, I'm going to be talking about the iPhone XR to an iPhone 15, but keep in mind that this process will also work with any other iPhone models, so it is essentially the same. What you have to do is first go over to the settings on the old iPhone, and you should be signed into an Apple ID. For this method, we're going to be relying on iCloud, so you should see your Apple account here at the top of the settings. All that you have to do is tap on your Apple account. By selecting it, you will see the iCloud options under Apple ID. So when you go to the Apple ID category, choose iCloud. All that you have to do here is make sure that you have enough storage and that iCloud backups are enabled. Basically, you will be backing up all of your data into iCloud. So from the iPhone XR, it is going to be deposited into iCloud. And when you set up the iPhone 15, it is going to pull the necessary data from iCloud, essentially transferring the data and contacts from the XR to the 15. So iCloud acts as the middleman for this transfer. So what you can do is tap on Saved to iCloud, see all, and now you can manage everything that will be transferred. So you can find stuff like contacts, photos, reminders, your web browser, and all sorts of applications. Make sure that either all of them are enabled or you go through all of these and you enable the data that you want to be transferred over. Now on the new iPhone, all that you have to do is look out for the Quick Start option and sign into an Apple account. Immediately upon signing into an Apple account, it is going to automatically use your iCloud backup and retrieve all of that data. Alternatively, you can also use the Quick Start function by placing both iPhones in close proximity of themselves. So in this example here, while the iPhone 15 is being set up, put your iPhone XR in close proximity of it. This will allow them to exchange the data. So in some cases, you can even skip iCloud out altogether, but I would still recommend doing it through iCloud just to be sure. So during the setup process on the new iPhone, you should see a screen like this, and you can choose from iCloud Backup or put them in close proximity if you want to use the Quick Start function. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data or contacts from iPhone XR to iPhone 15. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.